What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode from Infinity Cable Products. My name is Tom. In this episode, we're going to be talking about what is plenum cable. So let's start with the basics. Plenum refers to the jacketing material on Ethernet cables. The jacket is used to cover and protect the individual wires inside the cable. So what are plenums? Plenums are areas with airflow which are common in commercial buildings. In some of the areas you'll find the airflow is in spaces between structural ceilings, drop-down ceilings, and raised flooring. So because these areas often have airflow in them, it's important to have a cable suitable to be installed in those areas. So this is where plenum cable comes into play. Plenum cable, compared to riser-rated or general use CM cable, has the highest fire retardant rating out of all of them. So to be able to do that, it has different compounds compared to those cables. Those compounds are, the jacket's going to be made of a low smoke flame retardant PVC, and the insulation which covers the individual wires inside the cable is going to be made out of FEP. So when these two are combined, it gives you many benefits compared to a riser and a CM cable. Those benefits are, it emits less toxic smoke, it's self-extinguishing when lit, and it performs better at higher temperatures compared to the CM stranded cables and riser rated solid cables. So it's important to keep in mind here to remember areas with airflow equals plenum. Areas with airflow equals plenum. You can only install plenum cable in areas with airflow in commercial buildings. It's required by law. In residentials, you don't necessarily need plenum cable. There's not many areas with airflow, air circulation. Maybe in your attic, you might have some airflow, but you don't necessarily need plenum. It does perform at higher temperatures, but you can get by with riser-rated cables in those areas. So yeah, the one more thing that we do want to mention here is to please say no to CCA and plenum cable. CCA, when combined with plenum jackets, basically erases the benefits you get out of plenum cable in the first place. CCA and plenum don't go hand in hand. Solid copper and plenum cable is what you want. Definitely to get the best benefits out of your Ethernet cable. So yeah, these are just some of the basics to plenum cable. We hope you found this helpful. And yeah, check us out next time. Thanks.